do first is you need to take your date. I don't know how the girl did it. Egyptians didn't have silverware, so they ate with their hands, which is why this date candy is meant to be eaten with your hands. Then you need to just about a 1/4 cup. We'll just put that much in. And you're supposed to put some cinnamon in. Whenever Egyptians planted their crops, their farming methods were simple and easy, but they were very effective. Pecans, and in a bowl. I want to put honey in a bowl. Just kind of like put some on a spoon like that. I know someone's dropping. And then put it in your hand and just kind of make a ball. And you're going to dip it in your honey and just kind of roll it around. You're going to want to put it in the pecans and just roll it around until they stick. So it should look like
grape juice, and first you're going to want to wash the grapes and put them in the blender. Depending how big your blender is, depends on how many grapes you use. So I'm using about 1 pound of grapes. Okay. And 1/2 cups of water. You're going to add honey. It calls for sugar, but they used honey, so you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of that. You can shake it or you can blend it so that you get all the honey. So put it in a cup and serve chilled.
Grape juice.
Okay, this is the cantaloupe. We're just gonna start setting everything up because I already cut it. And then we're going to
The grapes.
we're gonna do it on this side. This side we're gonna do the grapes. Here, these are plums. Radishes. And then some garlic.
Turn up for what?
Oh, it's very sticky. Should I go for radishes?